If you don't have your first client yet, it's not because the market is saturated. It's because you're doing one critical thing wrong. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get your first client online, even if you're starting from zero, no experience, no portfolio. Welcome to Intertwined Digital, where we turn clicks into clients. On this channel, I will break down simple strategies to help you get clients and grow online. And today, I'm giving you a step-by-step system you can literally start using today. Most beginners think, I need a website, I need a logo, I need followers. No, you don't need any of that to get your first client. What you actually need is a clear offer, a specific target, and the confidence to reach out. Clients don't care how perfect your brand looks. They care about one thing and one thing only. Can you help me get results? This is where most people fail. Stop saying, I do digital marketing, that's too broad. Instead say, I help salons get more clients. I help real estate agents get leads. I help restaurants attract customers online. Why? Because clarity builds trust. When you speak to everyone, you convince no one. Now, let's find your first client. Go to Instagram, Facebook, Google Maps, search for businesses in your area. Look for signs like low engagement, poor content, no clear offers, inconsistent posting. These are opportunities, not problems. Every weak page you see is a potential client. This is where most people get scared, but this is also where money is made. Keep it simple. Here's a script you can use. Hey, I came across your page and noticed a few things you could improve to attract more clients. I'd love to share a few ideas, no charge. That's it. No pressure, no selling, just value. You're starting a conversation, not begging for work. Once they respond, don't rush to sell. Instead say, here are 2 to 3 things I'd fix immediately. For example, improve bio, add call to action, use better content strategy. Now, you've positioned yourself as an expert, not a salesperson. After giving value, transition naturally. Would you like me to help you implement this? Now, that's your close. Simple, direct, effective. If they say yes, start small. You can charge about 3,000 to 10,000 Kenyan shillings as a beginner, then increase as you gain results. Your first goal is not profit, it's proof. Avoid this, waiting to be perfect, overthinking, not reaching out, trying to learn everything first. You don't need more knowledge, you need action. If you want to speed this up, offer a free trial or discounted service in exchange for testimonials, results, case studies. That's how you build momentum fast. Stop thinking, I hope someone hires me. Start thinking, who can I help today? Because when you focus on helping, money follows. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more strategies on how to get clients and grow online. And if you want more videos like this, step by step, practical, no fluff, this channel is for you. Remember, your first client is not far away. You're just one message away. I'll see you in the next video.